Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our last IPSY Extra of 2025. Now, we got to get used to saying the IPSY Extra. This was the BOXYCHARM, okay? But it is now the IPSY Extra, all right? And that is what we will be unboxing on today. And this one is the December box. For those of you who are not familiar with it or haven't gotten used to calling it that yet, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out. And if you decide that you want to try it out for yourself, there is a coupon code down there so you can get money off on your first box. All right. Now, when we open it up, they don't really have a description card anymore. It's been a long time since we've had one with this size, but it does come with a information card about upcoming events, the 2025 IPSY Unboxed. You came, you played, you did beauty your way. Peep what went down this year, okay? And it's got plenty information on there about it, and this is what it looks like. And it says, once again, this one has the same theme as the Glam, well, it's not Glam Bag, it's the IPSY original, which if you haven't seen that, check it out, okay? And it says play beauty, spread joy. So we're going to just jump right in and we're going to see exactly what came in this month's box. So the first item that we have is by Farrah, and it is the Farrah Blush and Highlight Shade and Blend Brush Set. Okay, this is what it looks like in the packaging, and it has two dual-sided brushes. Okay, two of them. All right, so what does that mean? You're actually technically getting 4 brushes. This is what they look like. Okay, this one is the Shade and Blend. The purple side is the shade, this side is the blend. This one is the Blush and Highlight. Okay, the purple part, we want to fluff it up a little bit so you can see it, is the blush, and the red side is the highlight. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34. Okay, so we just off to a good start, because y'all know how I feel about brushes. Okay, I'm just saying. So let's keep going. We're about $1 short of paying the cost of the box. Not bad as the first item. The next item that we have is by Versace, and it's this one right here. And this is the Reset Renewal Fluid Cream. And it says it's designed to brighten, smooth, and firm. And it has 10 peptides, niacinamide, and 5 ceramides. And this is a 1 fluid ounce size. This, of course, is what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says, meet your shortcut to revived, radiant skin. This multitasking serum cream blend of vitamin C, niacinamide, lactic acid, 10 peptides, and 5 ceramides, which I told you about. It's designed to help brighten, smooth, and firm while supporting healthy barrier vibes. It's hydration, glow, and recovery all in one. Now, all of those good things that are in it, it is designed to brighten, smooth, and firm. Okay, that's what all of those wonderful ingredients help us to do with our skin when we use this product. It is a cruelty-free product, and it is a vegan product. All right, now it has a 6-month shelf life, so y'all know we probably will not be swatching this one at the end. I'm just saying, because I want to make sure that I get the best and the most out of my products, so I'll wait till I'm really ready to use them before I open it. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $39. Okay, and that is item number 2. Okay, the next item that we have is by Sonage, and this is the AI Peptide Serum. The next item that we have is by Grown Alchemist, and this is the Skin Renewal Toner. And it's this one right here. Let me put it on this side so you can see the whole thing. All right, and this one is a 3.3 fluid ounce size. And it says this one helps remove any last traces of impurities and pollutants from your skin. So this is a toner, of course. So that's one of the products that you use after you've cleansed your face thoroughly before you start to put on your serums and things like that. Okay, now this one is a cruelty-free product, and it is also a vegan product. And it too has a 12-month shelf life. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. It feels a little sticky, so I'm wondering if maybe it kind of leaked through maybe a little bit. It's possible, but nonetheless. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. All right. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $50. Not bad at all, especially for a 100 milliliter or 3.3 fluid ounce size. Huge. Okay. And, you know, the good thing is this one is a pump spray toner. It's not one where you have to put it on a cotton round or anything like that. All right, so let's keep going. The next item that we have is, ooh, it's a palette. And this is by the company Real Her. And it's the You Are Brilliant Pro Blush palette. It must have 6 shades in here, and each one is 0.11 ounces. Okay, let me just take it out of the box so we can see what it looks like, and I'll give you some more details. All right, this is beautiful packaging. This is what it looks like, just like the cover, right? Okay, now it says it is a certified cruelty-free product as well as paraben free. All right, it has a 24-month shelf life, and let's see, it does have a mirror in it, but it does have oh, we need to be real careful with that. It does have a mirror in it, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this over, and that way we can get a look at these blush shades. Now, some of them look like they have a little shimmer to it. And there's another that kind of looks like it could be a bronzer. Look at that. What do you think? That's really nice as far as I'm concerned. What are your thoughts? All right. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $36. All right. That's not bad. So that's our 5 products. Now, I always get the Beauty Boost item so that we can check it out. All right. And as you can tell, I am really always about that skincare life because I was getting it. Something is going on, which we'll talk about later with my other subscription service. But we're not going to talk about that right now. We're here to talk about this. So our Beauty Boost item is the last one, and they truly tried to save space in this box because it is no longer in its box. All right, but I have this, so give me 1 second and I'll pull out another box that I have of this product so I can give you some details. This is the ELEMINS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, and that means it's a hydrating day cream. It is an anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. It says for fine lines and wrinkles. This one is a it is a 1 US fluid ounce size. All right, and it has a 12-month shelf life. And let's see. Their box says defined by nature, led by science, and it's one that you can apply every morning to cleansed, dry skin. All right. Now, y'all know I love me some ELEMINS products. So when I had another opportunity to get this one, I'm here for it. So I have the large one and now I have this one I'd probably travel with when I go see my mom. I might even leave it there. And then that way I don't have to carry one with me when I go. Now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $98. Okay. Now I did get an add-on. I actually got 2 of them, but they're the same thing. Okay, it's Christmas time, and you know, sometimes people stop by, and so I wanted to make sure I do have something if someone else does stop by. But one of my G babies may just ask for another fragrance. They are known to do that. So what I got was Juliet Has a Gun. And I got 2 of them in the deluxe sample size. And I really like the way they smell, which is the reason why I went ahead and purchased it. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $17.99. Now, this total, remember, $17.99, okay? Which means it's about $36 for the 2 of these. That total will not appear at the end when I show you the products that we received, because this was indeed an add-on, and it's not something that everybody would get unless you decided to add it on as well. All right. Now, what do you think of what we received? Y'all know I am here for brushes, so I'm loving that. I do like having, my apologies, I do like having the blush palette. Let's see what we can, we'll do a couple of them and see. Yeah, it does really kind of remind me of, yeah, using it as a bronzer. Okay, look at that. That's just 2 of them. So it's really nice. And nowadays we can use this to set our cream blushes or contour. If we're using a cream contour, you can set it with, you know, one of these if you need to. How about that? All right. So I'm very excited for it. Everything else is skincare, which I love. Love, love, love getting skincare. All right. So what do you think? What are your thoughts? I know mine. I'm very pleased with what I have because I choose to get skincare and tools. That's at the top of my list. All right. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for spending time with me on today as we unboxed our IPSY Extra. These are the items that we received. Down below is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything, including our Beauty Boost item. All right. Now, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up or give it a heart. You know, this video, if you enjoyed the video, please, by all means do. If you did not, you can look, it won't hurt my feelings if you, it's hard for me to say, but if you don't like it, you know, and you don't choose to give it a thumbs up, you choose to give it a thumbs down. But I'm just asking you, please tell me why in the comment section. Did I do something wrong? Did I say something wrong? Or are we talking about this particular month's products? Let me know, okay? And then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. As a matter of fact, Seasoned Beauties right now has a giveaway going on for our subscribers. I'm just saying, we do the thing over here. All right. Now, and it is easy on the pocket. Why? Because it is free. All right. Share this video with someone. Show them what they could have gotten this month if they chose the IPSY Extra. All right. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.